Hi everyone, and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Kale, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at home. So Chef Kale, welcome.
Thank you
for having me, and what are we cooking today?
We're gonna do Brie and Croutè.
Brie and Croutè. Now what is Croutè?
It's puff pastry.
Okay, makes sense.
It's cheese and pastry.
Sounds good. You learn something new every day.
So you have frozen puff pastry that you just get there at the Ingles.
Okay.
You're gonna sprinkle some bench flour down.
Bench flour, yeah.
So it doesn't stick.
All right.
Throw a little bit on your cutting board.
Okay.
You're just gonna roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch.
Okay.
And just keep working your dough. So that looks pretty decent for me.
Okay.
Next, we have the Brie.
All right, Brie.
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna score along the edge here. Now, some chefs will tell you you have to use dental floss
Yeah, I've seen that
rope
on TV before,
or anything
yeah.
like. Let's not go crazy. Let's just twist that bad boy open.
Looks like it works just fine.
Right, and then just a little scoochy scooch with the knife, and Bob's your uncle.
It's all about simplicity.
That's
Love
right.
it.
So why don't you go ahead? We have walnuts and cranberries.
All right.
Walnuts on one side. Really press them down in there.
Okay, all right. And then cranberries on the other side?
That's right.
All right.
All right. We're gonna give our friend Brie cheese a little blanket. A lot of people have been saying it's been cold in here today.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make a little sandwich.
Okay. Nice.
Squish it down.
Oh, we're gonna wrap it, aren't we?
We are.
Nice. What's the best way to do that?
So you don't need all of this.
Okay.
And the best way I have found to do it is make little slits along the sides here.
Makes it easy to wrap up.
That's
there.
right.
Okay.
So you're just gonna take her in,
Fold it up.
get her nice and tucked in. And some of this excess you don't need.
Okay.
Don't go crazy with it. It just
You
needs
just gotta cover it. That's all you're
Right.
gonna do. All right.
So after you get all this biz on here,
Very nice.
we have a simple egg wash. Now the most important part about this recipe is that you need to put it in the oven, or I'm sorry, in the freezer for about an hour to an hour and a half.
Okay. All right.
Otherwise, everything you just did is going to ooze
It's
right
gonna
out.
ooze out. Okay. So in the freezer for about an hour, hour and a half.
Right.
And then how long in the oven?
We're going to go 450
Oh man.
until golden brown.
Oh, cut that open. I gotta see that.
All right, let's take a look.
Oh man.
And this is perfect for the holidays. Makes it look fancy.
Oh, that looks beautiful. I love it. All right, that's all we've got time for today. Thank you for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your next event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time.